Question number 30, let's get right into it. Which of the following best represents the graph of the curve for this condition given by this parametric function in the xy plane? Okay, so we have an interesting expression here. We have this parametric, what do you call it, function, equation? I guess technically it's an equation. Anyway, we got to figure out which of these graphs best represents it. Now, the thing is that if I have c of t, and I have this, I have cosine cubed, and then I have sine cubed as well. We need to figure out what happens, and remember, this is going to be our x value, this is going to be our y value. We need to ask ourselves what happens when t increases. So what happens when t increases? So if I increase the value of t, then what's going to happen is, let's see, let's think about it this way. So this is the unit circle, right? Now, if I have a cosine function and I increase the value of t, or I go around the unit circle, well, cosine is going to decrease, right? So cosine, well, I'll just say cosine theta decreases, but sine of theta increases. So what that tells me is that if, well, I should say x and y, so x and y, I'll do this, x and y are inversely, I'm sorry, that's terrible handwriting, but they're inversely related. Okay, now which of these, how do I say this? Which of these graphs looks like an inverse relationship? Well, it's definitely not this one, right? That's like a linear relationship. Definitely not this one. Absolutely not that one. You know, maybe it's could be this one, but let's take a look at our points here. So if I have t is equal to 0, well then I'm going to get, let's see, I'm going to get 1 and 0, right, when t equals 0. So that point right here does not even exist on this graph. So this graph cannot be the correct answer. So in that case, the correct answer has to be C. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm sure there might have been an easier way to solve it. If you have any questions or any comments or a better way to think about this problem, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.